Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Victor, aka Hot Talk. I'm out here with Liquid Vision. Introduce yourself.
Hey, what's up? I'm Steve from Liquid Vision Hydrographics. Follow us on Instagram, same as the name, with a Liquid Visions with a Z.
Alright, tell me about this right here.
My Shit. It's a new line coming out for those guys that are independent. You know, whose cars it is My Shit, who you rep, My Shit.
There you go. You guys check him out on the Instagram, show him some love. Don't forget, because we're going to have a show towards the end of December in Sacramento at Napa Genuine, what is it, Parts?
Genuine Paints, yeah.
Genuine
We're going to
Paints.
have the vendors, raffles. We're going to get a barbecue going on, can or clothes drive. It's going to be for charity, so you guys save the date. We'll get more
Hey. Oh shit, something's going on in the back. But you guys don't forget, so for my SC300 2JZ GTE, I'm going to be working with Steve on my dip for my engine bay. Alright, you guys check him out. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Victor, aka Hot Talk. I'm out here at the In-N-Out meet. Everyone check out My Shit. It's my boy Steve, a new clothing line. Don't forget, check out Liquid Vision. Holla at your boy. It's going down November, so I just got booked for 2 more shows at 2 different shops. Napa Genuine Paint, and I'm gonna be doing something with Ty King, so check him out. Yeah, hey, the homie. I'm gonna show you guys around the meet real quick though. Check this out.
Wouldn't let you go if you left me. Wouldn't let you go if we're standing miles apart. I'd be a domino. I will let you know through vibrations of me. Wouldn't let you go if you left me. Wouldn't let you go if we're standing miles apart. I'd be a domino. You would feel my flow on the ground beneath you.
So I just got Pro with. I'll keep you guys updated shortly.